Thomas and Friends Engine Adventures. Right. Thomas the Tank Engine is enjoying an early morning chug along the tracks when suddenly, screech! Rebecca tries to stop in time, but she bumps right into Thomas. Oops, sorry, says Rebecca. I was watching the beautiful sunrise. That's okay, says Thomas. I was hoping to bump into you. Nia just got back from an African adventure. She's going to tell us about it. Nia steams around the bend. Hello, friend, she says. Ready to come for a ride and hear all about my adventure? Rebecca wants to join in, but she is worried. What if she is so busy listening that she bumps into someone else? Ready, says Thomas. And Rebecca follows along. As they roll along, Nia tells them about one amazing animal after another. There was a giraffe, she says, and a crane, and an elephant. And stop! Rebecca applies her brakes and slows down before bumping into her friends. That was close, says Rebecca. Thanks for helping me stop. It's hard to stay focused when you're imagining interesting things like animals, says Nia. It just takes some practice. Good thing engines always look out for each other, says Thomas. Let's go.